Hello and welcome. In today's tutorial, our task is to solve this system of equations. Now to begin, let us add the three equations together. On the left hand side, we have x plus y plus y plus z plus z plus x, and this is equal to root 4z minus 1 plus root 4x minus 1 plus root 4y minus 1. Now here we have x plus x, and that is 2x, y plus y, and that is 2y, and z plus z, that is 2z. Of course, this is still equal to root 4z minus 1 plus root 4x minus 1 plus root 4y minus 1. Here we can factorize 2. When we do that, we have 2 into x plus y plus z, and this is equal to root 4z minus 1 plus root 4x minus 1 plus root 4y minus 1. Now let us divide the two sides of this equation by 2. When we do that, we have that x plus y plus z is equal to root 4z minus 1 over 2 plus root 4x minus 1 over 2 plus root 4y minus 1 over 2. Now here, let us remember that 2 is equal to square root of 4. And also let us recall that when you have root x over root y, that this is the same as root x over y. Now with this in mind, we can write this last line as x plus y plus z equal to root 4z minus 1 over 4 plus root 4x minus 1 over 4 plus root 4y minus 1 over 4. And further simplifying, we have 4z divided by 4 is z minus 1 over 4 plus 4x divided by 4 is x minus 1 over 4 plus 4y divided by 4 is y minus 1 over 4. Now let us call this quantity P. Let us call this Q. And let us call this R. With this substitution, we have that x plus y plus z is equal to P plus Q plus R. Now we can see that P is equal to the square root of z minus 1 over 4. Squaring both sides of this equation, we have that P squared is equal to z minus 1 over 4. And adding 1 over 4 to both sides of this equation, we have that z is equal to p squared plus 1 over 4. Now doing the same thing for q and r, we have that x is equal to q squared plus 1 over 4 and y is equal to r squared plus 1 over 4. Once more, adding these three equations together, we have that x plus y plus z is equal to q squared plus 1 over 4 plus r squared plus 1 over 4 plus p squared plus 1 over 4. But let us remember that we have already established that x plus y plus z is equal to p plus q plus r. So we have that p plus q plus r is equal to q squared plus 1 over 4 plus r squared plus 1 over 4 plus p squared plus 1 over 4. Now let us subtract p plus q plus r from both sides of this equation. When we do that, obviously we have that this side will be equal to 0. And here we have q squared minus q plus 1 over 4 plus r squared minus r plus 1 over 4 plus p squared minus p plus 1 over 4. Now you will look at this, and this. And what are you going to see? You can see that this is a perfect square. This is also a perfect square, and this is a perfect square. This is equal to q minus 1 over 2 squared plus this is equal to r minus 1 over 2 squared plus this is equal to p minus 1 over 2 squared. So when you look at this last equation, you will see that the values of p, q, and r that satisfy this equation, in fact, the only values of p, q, and r that satisfy this equation will be q equal to half. Because when you substitute half for q, this bracket will be 0. Here, when you substitute half for r, this bracket will be 0. And here, when you substitute half for p, this is going to be 0. So we find that the values of p, q, and r that satisfy these equations are half, half, and half. Now we go back to those equations, that is z is equal to p squared plus 1 over 4. X is equal to q squared plus 1 over 4. And y is equal to r squared plus 1 over 4. And from here we have that z is equal to, now p is equal to half. So this is half squared plus 1 over 4. X is equal to half squared plus 1 over 4. And y is equal to half squared plus 1 over 4. We have that z is equal to half squared is 1 over 4. And 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4 is 1 over 2. X, 1 over 2 squared is 1 over 4. 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4 is 1 over 2. And y is the same thing, 1 over 2. So we find that the values of x, y, and z that satisfy this system of equations are half, half, and half. And with that, we come to the end of today's exercise. Remember to subscribe if you enjoy such content. Leave us a thumbs up to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.